Every hour, thousands of turkeys enter this facility, beginning a carefully controlled industrial process.
This step ensures every turkey receives the same flavor, down to the last bite.
Before any cooking begins, cleanliness and safety are the top priority.
Inside these massive ovens, timing and temperature must be exact to achieve perfect tenderness.
After roasting, controlled cooling locks in texture and flavor.
Automated cutting systems ensure every portion meets exact size standards. Vacuum packaging preserves freshness and extends shelf life.
From this factory, millions of roast turkeys are shipped to markets around the world.
This is how modern factories transform raw ingredients into perfectly roasted turkeys at an incredible scale.
At multiple points, automated systems inspect each turkey to ensure it meets strict quality standards.
Even a small temperature change can affect the final result, so every second is carefully monitored.
Millions of turkeys enter the factory every hour, ready to start their journey.
Every turkey is cleaned thoroughly before moving to the next step. Marinade injection. Flavor spread evenly. Precision machines ensure every turkey gets the perfect flavor.
The roasting process is carefully monitored for perfect tenderness.
Cooling locks in flavor and keeps the turkey safe to eat.
Whole versus sliced. Automated cutting lines, the VIP line. Every portion is consistent and perfectly cut.
Vacuum packaging preserves freshness for delivery worldwide.
From this factory, millions of turkeys reach homes all over the world. This is how modern factories transform raw turkeys into perfectly roasted meals.
Before approval, every batch is tested to meet strict quality standards, temperature checks, weight and moisture testing.
One small mistake can ruin thousands of turkeys, so hygiene is taken very seriously.
Different markets require different packaging styles.
This factory can roast more turkeys in 1 hour than a small town eats in a year. This factory can roast more turkeys in 1 hour than a small town eats in a year.
One small mistake can ruin thousands of turkeys, so hygiene is taken very seriously.
Each country has its own food rules, and this factory meets them all.
From raw meat to perfectly roasted turkey, all in one massive factory. Next time you enjoy a roast turkey, remember the incredible process behind it.
retail packs, family size packs, bulk food service packs.
The automated systems are running hot.
We just pushed another 1 million units out the door for the holiday rush.
Controlled airflow improves crisp skin quality.